Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something exciting, the JJRC Q121 H1 Hurtle, a 1/12 scale, for JJRC crawler with some great scale details. Let's crack this open and see what's inside. First out of the box, we have the main event itself, the RC car. It has a tough-looking Hummer-style body with a full alloy girder frame underneath for durability. The body itself is made from engineering nylon materials, offering shockproof and drop-resistant features. The large, deep-tread rubber tires are providing great grip on these different surfaces, just as expected from a crawler-style vehicle. It handles the bumps well, thanks to those alloy spring shock absorbers and metal chassis components. The power comes from a 370 brushed motor which provides high torque for climbing rather than high speed. It maxes out around 15 km per hour. It's also IPX4 splash resistant, so a few puddles won't hurt it. You can expect a run time of about 20 to 30 minutes on a full charge. And here is the USB charger to get it powered up. A small wrench or screwdriver tool is also included in the package for basic maintenance. And finally, the user manual, always important to give this a read before you start. We also find the 7.4V 650 mAh Li-ion battery. It actually comes built in but is protected by a board. Next up, the 2.4 GHz remote controller is a standard pistol grip style. It gives you full proportional control over steering and throttle. Note that you'll need 3 AA batteries for this. Alright, we've charged the battery and installed the AAs in the controller. Remember the golden rule, turn on the remote first, then the car. We have a signal, and the front and rear LED lights are working. First impressions? The proportional steering feels smooth and responsive. Let's check the four-wheel drive and independent suspension on this rough terrain here. Overall, the JJRC Q121 H1 Hurtle is a fun, durable option for beginners or anyone looking for an inexpensive, ready-to-run RC model. It's built tough with metal reinforcements and offers a realistic driving experience. If you're interested in picking one up, check out my affiliate link in the description below.